Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question, not found in your textbooks. So what is the weight of 1 pound mass, lbm, in English units when we have 1 kilogram of mass at sea level and the weight is 9.81 newtons in SI units? So from the multi-choice, the answer is A. The code is in the pinned comment for you to check, the Python code. I can't show you the EES code, however, but that's okay because the Python code is mine and it works. So the reason why this is the answer is because the English unit system was designed so that 1 pound mass weighs exactly 1 pound force. Okay, so here's the code, just in case it's not in the pinned comment. So that portion is the correct part of the code, and then we've got some common mistakes as well. Alright, so before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, you can open it in your taskbar with the icon. If it's not there, you can go to your Windows search and open the app. If you're on a Mac, just use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. So once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. And this is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool and then wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button and let the video finish. Then hit the red square in Snipping Tool and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you find a mistake in this video or you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.